wanted to understand this more of from a real, industry perspective, right? Let's
Yep.
say, for example, if I'm an OEM, right,
Yep.
and I have very limited cyber security resources inside my
Yep.
company, right?
Hmm.
How does xCarbon integrate into my SDVs or into my vehicles program without disrupting the delivery timelines that I have already set for my customers or either my dealers or somebody, right?
Right. Right.
Could you help me understand how will that be tackled?
Yeah. So thanks for your question, Sarab. I think we are very dedicated and dive into deeply into cybersecurity for automotive, and our
Hmm.
product is on top of the application there, products for our customers. So, like I said previously, we are very focused on lightweight modularized design to cross
Hmm.
different platforms, OS, from customer to customers. The
Hmm.
most important thing is we need to work together closely with our partners, which
Right.
they have the system integration capabilities. They
Right.
know the OEM's demand or tier one's demand to
Right.
design the product to integrate all the needed functions into that platform, specific platform. So for us, we do not normally talk to OEM directly or involve too much on the product side, but we
Hmm.
provide a cybersecurity feature on top of their products. So the product
Hmm.
owner or designer for the system will be the crucial point to meet OEM's schedule, product features, etc. So, like
Okay.
I mentioned, I believe like a party like Sasken, they are working very closely across different platform,
Right.
OS, and also you have a good relationship with OEMs. So you know
Hmm.
what OEM they look like, as well as you know what platform, the limitation or specification behind that. So you know the
Hmm.
product, and we provide cybersecurity product to Sasken and let you
Hmm.
to integrate all the system all together to meet OEM's requirement.
Nice. Interesting. There's one pattern that I have observed is that sometimes some solutions cannot be deployed across every platform that we have in the market, right? Like, for example, if your solution is compatible with a certain ECU or a certain controller, it may or may not be compatible with every controller that are being used by vehicle manufacturers or OEMs out there, right? And I believe in that case, a partner like that of Sasken, brings value in terms of not just system integration, but understanding the OEM requirement from grounds up, right?
That's right.
And then with not just VicOne's experience across like few years into the market, but Sasken's experience across like since 30 years into the market, especially in automotive, in digital and semiconductor space, we
Yeah.
thoroughly understand what are the expectations that these markets have in terms of not just system integrations, but understanding the whole design of their particular products
That's right.
and the way things operate essentially in terms of deploying things, integrating things, and then putting it to the market, right? Uh, and in a competitive market like this today, there is definitely a need for every OEM to think of cybersecurity right from the scratch, or rather right from design of their particular products, right? Which we call as like secure by design solutions that Sasken is, and even VicOne is focusing on a day-to-day basis, right?
Right.
Uh,
Yeah.
and that definitely an interesting point in terms of like building lightweight agents for OEMs for particular tier ones for them to be able to integrate it efficiently and immediately deploy it to the market without disrupting their timelines of deliveries,
Yeah.
right?